welcome or welcome back to my channel, and I am Shrutika. Today I'll be taking you through my vlog series which is for the road trip.
आरती आरती चालू की खिड़कियां लगा दो
कर रही हूँ।
गुड्डा गिर गया।
मम्मी ये क्या किया है?
इसमें
ये क्या किया है?
ये पेटू और चीकू।
ओके।
इतना अच्छा माहौल था, तुमने लिया नहीं। चालू खराब
ये पापा का नेविगेशन देखने के चक्कर में मेरा पूरा
बंद कर दे अभी। नेविगेशन तो
नहीं। And today we are traveling from Noida, like we have basically from Noida to Greater Noida, and now we are at the Taj Express Highway, and we have just taken our first stop, and this is the Highway Masala Restaurant, if I'm not right. Yeah, it's Highway Masala Restaurant that we have stopped. We have halted for just breakfast, and it is I think 6:30 or 7 in the morning. Yeah, it's 7 in the morning, and let's see. This is a really good place to halt for breakfast, because we have chai, coffee and breakfast, everything together in the same destination. So everyone traveling through the Taj Expressway, I'm sure you all might be definitely knowing about this place. But yeah, just wanted to let you know. Food courts, there is Bicano restaurant as well, so you guys can choose like from where to eat and all. Spotted Starbucks coffee after a long time. I'll get my favorite hot chocolate from Starbucks. अभी भी मस्त है तू। क्या खा रही है? कौन? कैसा है? बहुत टेस्टी है। अच्छा।
बजे निकल मिलेगी, आधा घंटा 1 घंटा नहीं खत्म होगी। चंबल की घाटी है, डाकुओं की पहले
बिहाड़
बिहाड़।
वो कौन सी बेंडेड क्वीन नहीं, कि क्या नाम है, फूलन देवी इधर ही रहती थी, छुपती थी।
बट वो फोर्ट जैसा दिख रहा था ना।
ये इस नदी में सबसे ज्यादा मगरमच्छ है इंडिया में।
नदी का है, अच्छा ये
सगळ्यात जास्त मगरमच्छ है, बहुत बड़ी है ये।
We just halted for lunch, guys, and I love dhaba food. Like, I have to have it, chai and food. Although it's coffee written, but it's chai. Papa. भर ले मम्मी सो। दिखा हाथ में क्या है।
चाय कैसी है?
मुझे तो अच्छी लगी। अदरक ज़्यादा चाहिए होता है मुझे चाय में।
हाँ,
इतने टाइम बाद कैसा लगा ढाबे पे खा के? कितने साल बाद खा रही है?
बहुत साल बाद खाई।
मुझे हो गए होंगे 1-2 साल।
मैंने बहुत सालों के बाद खाई। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। सगळ्या झाडांवर कशी दूर बसली आहे रे जरा। गाडी पुसायला माणूस लावून घेतली।
हाँ। हो गई एनर्जी डाउन, सो जा।
झोपून जा ना तू, झोपेची वेळ झाली, जेवण घेणं झोपत का नाही?
वेळ झाली पण
कच्चे सिंघाड़े, for those of you who don't know.
क्या करनी चाहिए?
इसलिए मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है।
क्यों?
जाहिर आता।
क्या हुआ मम्मी?
क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं?
क्या?
अभी गेस्ट हाउस पे पूरा सामान नहीं निकालेंगे।
ओके, वैसे भी नहीं निकालना है, सुबह सुबह तो निकलना है।
जी।
So we have finally reached Guna. This is Vijaypura, if I am not wrong. We are on the NFL guest house way. So we are staying at NFL today. We are taking this halt before going to Indore, and that is for a reason, because we have planned a staycation there and we wanted to spend the full day and not only spend the night. So that is the reason that we had to halt here. And the road conditions are pathetic, like literally pathetic, because we had to come from within the city, and this guest house is really inside. मार्केट एरिया से निकल के कैसा लगा?
मुझे तो सब्जियां खरीदने की इच्छा हुई।
सब्जियां?
फ्रेश और ताजी ताजी सब्जी थी।
कौन सी सब्जी?
सारी सब्जी जो सब खरीदने की इच्छा हुई।
मम्मी हर रोड ट्रिप पे सिर्फ सब्जी खरीदती है। So guys, meanwhile we find where exactly our guest house is located. We are already inside the premises, and the way to enter the NFL is through a market, which is really narrow. Like, it's worse. ये क्या है?
खेल
ये टिश्यू पेपर या वेट ऑयल? टाइम पास।
कोई आ नहीं सकता अंदर, कोई नहीं, क्योंकि
हाँ, सिक्योरिटी है।
CISF की कड़ी सिक्युरिटी
ती
है.
कशासाठी समोरच CISS म्हणजे या अंडर रिस्ट्रिक्टेड एरिया.
हाँ, ये सामने में नहीं कहते.
OMG, look at the amount of greenery, guys.
अच्छा लग रहा है ना.
हाँ. Finally, we have reached the guest house and we are waiting at the reception. It's 5:42 in the evening. I'm looking so exhausted. This is just a government guest house, so I'm not expecting much. But yeah, let's see how the room is. So, हाँ जाते हैं. I will be freshening up a bit and then I will tell you my complete itinerary. Like you might have guessed it already from the title, but I kept it for the last because I was so involved and engrossed in the complete trip, and there were so many incidents which I'll tell you about which happened, like nothing bad but very different. I will tell you about those, how the road conditions were and everything, how was the trip. But I'll just freshen up a bit because I'm really tired right now, and it's been a long, like 12-hour approximate journey. Yeah, so see you in a bit. मम्मी कैसा होगा रूम? This is the corridor. It looks like my hostel dorm. है ना मम्मी? मेरे हॉस्टल जैसा लग रहा है ना? We just have to spend a night, guys, so it's fine. Yeah. Okay. बस यही पार्ट अच्छा है.
मोबाईल पापाचा
शट, ये खुल क्यों नहीं रहा?
पापाचा मोबाईल लिखा है मतलब.
हाँ. Oh, this is cool. Oops. यहाँ तो कपड़े सूख रहे हैं. कपड़े नहीं, चादर है शायद. But हाँ, apart from that, greenery is awesome. Like that is the only plus point here. Not so bad. Father's friend have booked this for us, so like we are not paying for this, but yeah, he really helped, so thank you so much. And yeah, I will tell you the itinerary as promised in a bit. Guys, it has become really dark now and it's just 6 p.m. So I don't think so I will be able to come out and shoot about the itinerary. It is 6:30. Can you believe? Light भी सही नहीं आ रही. इस ऐसे This angle is okay. हाँ, ये सही है. Do we both look similar? Comment down below, guys. Everyone say the same. लगता है क्या same अपन? हाँ. So there are too many mosquitoes, and we are totally taking all the precautions since we are traveling in this COVID situation. But that is because it is really urgent for me to travel back. So that is the sole reason, and we thought why not take it as an opportunity and make it a road trip. So yeah, and it's a beautiful place, guys. Again, like not the guest house but the serenity, it's really good. And since it's kind of like a jungle area, so there's no network, so I won't be able to upload the first part of the series or the day one vlog which I am shooting. So I will be posting it, I think, one day later when I reach Indore probably. So yeah, the background is not good, I just realized. अच्छा तो बहुत लग रहा है.
सकाळी आलो तुम्हाला कामच लागते.
पीछे रखा है. मम्मी भोपाल की याद आ रही है ना ऐसे वॉक करने. रोड
याद आ रही.
रोड्स बिल्कुल भोपाल जैसे लग रहे हैं. अच्छा लग रहा है, फ्रेश एयर वॉक करने में थोड़ा फ्रेश फील हो रहा है।
थोड़ी थोड़ी ठंडी है ना,
हाँ।
इसलिए शॉल।
हाँ, इसलिए शॉल।
इसलिए शॉल।
मुझे लगा था कि लाइटिंग अच्छी नहीं होगी इसलिए मैं शूट नहीं करने वाली थी, बट लाइटिंग अच्छी
बहुत
है।
अच्छी है।
देयर आर
जंगल
स्ट्रीट
जंगल है।
लाइट्स।
इस साइड का देख,
हाँ,
उस साइड।
देखा मैंने। तो मैं आइटिनरी बताने वाली थी अपनी। तो अपनी आइटिनरी ऐसी है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम नोएडा टू बैंगलोर ओवरऑल। तो नोएडा टू बैंगलोर में वी आर प्लानिंग टू टेक कपल ऑफ हॉल्ट्स because there are reasons behind it. Like we could have done it in 2 days, but then it would be like really hectic, and my father is the only driver doing all the driving part, like I'm not doing it. So अभी हम लोगों ने ऐसा प्लान किया कि we will have first halt in Guna, which is here where we are right now. This is because we wanted to give rest for the first like the first halt should be like a peaceful rest halt, and yeah, हाथ दर्द हो गया मेरे। Yeah, and the other halt is in Indore. So we could have gone directly to Indore, but the only reason was not going to Indore was because we wanted the full day, as I already told you. So it's a staycation planned for my parents' anniversary, so I did not want to like be very tired and exhausted while going. So that is why, like, while we would have not enjoyed if it would have been just like for the stay purpose, we wanted to completely enjoy it. So I'll make a separate vlog on the staycation part. That is one. So to enjoy that staycation, we had to take a halt somewhere in between. Gwalior was like too early, like in between, like Noida to Gwalior, I think we would have reached in some, it's only like 250 kilometers from here, from Guna, so it wouldn't make much difference. That's why we chose Guna, because Guna is much nearer to Indore. So that is one. Then next we have planned from Indore to Pune. Now why Pune, you all might ask, because my sister is in Pune, and I want to pick up my sister because her last set of MSc Masters exams are completed. So she will also join us on the way, so we'll pick her up. We have asked her to pack everything and keep ready, so that once we reach Pune, we are planning to reach on 26th. So today is 24th. So today we are staying here, then 25th we are planning for the staycation, then 26th we would be reaching Pune. That night we would be staying with her at her flat, packing up whatever is the remaining part, and then we would be leaving on 27th early morning is what we are planning. So if it goes as per planning, then it's well and good. Otherwise I have taken like a buffer day, so I think the buffer day should help. Lighting is again not proper, sorry guys, I'm walking and also vlogging. Yeah, so, and don't judge my looks because I am on vacation and I'm just resting. I've not done any makeup, nothing. I'm just like peacefully staying. The vibes here are so good, like even though the room is not that great, I'd like to tell you guys, like the surrounding is good enough to spend the night, and it was just a matter of one night, and we thought why not, like my father's friend was very generous to give us this guest house, one room in this guest house. Continuing on where we were from Pune, we are planning to go to Shirdi, because are you so sorry about that. Yeah, so as I was saying, we always try to catch up together, the complete family, and go to Shirdi, because it's again like road trip. We all love road trips. My father personally, like, he loves car, he loves road trip. Okay, So we all love road trip, and the other reason is like it is so good there. I don't know, like it is something that we all have decided, like we go together, spend some time. So that is what we have decided. We have not gone to Shirdi since so long, we don't even remember the last time that we have gone. So we thought, why not, like it's a new car that I have bought, it could be a good occasion, like it is on the way. It's not on the way, like there is another route as well, but since we are going via Pune, then it's on the way. So we are planning for Shirdi and then Pandharpur, because it's just 100 kilometers, and then from Pandharpur we will be traveling back to Bangalore. So Pandharpur would be another halt for us. So there are total 4 halts. This is one, then Indore, sorry there is a bike again, yeah, then we have Pune, and then we have Pandharpur, if Pandharpur is in the plan still, because as of now it's Shirdi and Pandharpur, but we'll see like what works out the best. So that is the plan as of now, and we should be reaching on 28th, I believe. Yeah, we should be reaching on 28th. Okay, so lots of talking, and I have already shared the itinerary, like everything with you guys. So stay tuned for the vlog series. I had planned to make it in one vlog, but then it would be like too long to watch. So I had broken it down into series. Per day, one vlog. So like today is day 1, so I'm vlogging it. It's the first part of the series, and this itinerary will be also part of the first series. And let's see how it pans out, and you might see me in loose t-shirts and everything in the coming vlogs as well. Are you? Okay, so my parents are calling me for dinner now. Okay, I will be signing off for now. Lots of love. Bye.